My name is Laksam. I'm a Tibetan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a momo. So first of all, it's really important to make a dao. I know it's really difficult for the American people because they are not used to with the hand. And momo, dao, not very uh, soft, little bit like I can say it's hard or what? Not very hard. Okay. So after dough, and make a small pieces like this, right? Then it depends, like how many, um, like how many you eat. You can make giant momo also, like you know, put everything inside and just one momo. But it looks good to eat momo, like small piece of momo on the plate. It looks beautiful. It's all about presentation. But if sometimes, like in America, like New York City is damn busy. So what I do that, like I try to make uh, not very small, this sizes. So I don't have to make a whole bunch of like small momos. So this is really easy. First you have to make a flat. By using this, just use. It's very easy. I know it is hard for you. Make sure this has to be very thin, and this must be a little bit thicker, because when you steam, and this has to be a little bit thick so it doesn't, what you call, otherwise it, what you call, tear,
Yeah, it'll break.
it will break. So to protect that breaking stuff, just make it thick and put everything here and do it like that. I'm sorry, my English is very poor, but hey, look at this. Look at this. We don't need machine. Here's a whole bunch of machine. Now here we go. That's that's it. So easy. It's easy. It's easy. Very organic. Organic hand. Here you go. More you make it thin, more it tastes good. You see how thin it is? But here a little bit thick. So when we put meat, vegetables, whatever you want to make it, there are whole, I can make more than like 30 types of momo. And so where is my thing? Okay. So this is, we already made it. It's a lamb chopped, and we put onion, garlic, ginger, and olive oil also